it's easy to say. We have a list of people that we would take. A bullet for them, a bullet for you, a bullet for everybody in this room. But they don't seem to see many bullets coming through. See many bullets coming through. Metaphorically, I'm the man, but literally, I don't know what I do. I live with something that's hard to do. Even harder to say when you know it's untrue. Even harder to write when you know that you're mad. When people back home are trying to eat up and you ignore them still. All these questions, they're for real. Like who would you live for? Who would you die for? And would you ever kill? Thinking too much. Help me. I've been thinking too much. Help me. I've been thinking too much. I've been thinking too much. I've been thinking too much. Help me. I've been thinking too much. I've been thinking too much. I've been thinking too much. Help